Guys, I want to tell you there is a way that you can make money from home, from your phone, anywhere with Wi-Fi, and it's not that hard. I came across a lady on TikTok not too long ago where she was talking about how she makes daily pay online. Those two words had my attention. I'm like, how is she making daily pay? I did some more research and come to find out she's also making 100% profit and commission. So at this point, she really had my attention. I bought in. I wanted the 6-figure blueprint that taught me how to have a fully automated online digital marketing business that was always out there working for me, even while I was sleeping, while I was out of town, while I was in a meeting, so I could change my financial future. Guys, the 6-figure blueprint works for any business. Maybe you already have a business and you want to learn how to automate it. They're going to teach you how to do all of this, guys, and they only work 2 hours a day. That's right, you heard it right. I work and they work only 2 hours a day. They teach you how to have a 2-hour-a-day work day, all right? Literally, they're going to give you 2 times a week mentor Zoom meetings with our mentor, which will become your mentor if you find that this opportunity suits you. Guys, she sends out daily mini teachings as well every day. And in those, she's going to give you 3 content ideas, what to post on your social media. So we're speaking to our target audience. So we don't have to go out and find our customers, but the right person, their target audience, finds us and they seek us for the information. They're also going to teach you how to post ads to high traffic websites for free. There is no monthly fees, no reoccurring fees. Once you pay your website fee and you pay to have that digital product, it's yours. You have the resale rights 100% to resell it. You don't have to change anything, guys. You don't have to go in and change fonts and colors and any of that. So if you're not tech savvy and you don't want to create your own course, I highly recommend this. There's just so much simplicity that's easy. All the training videos are straight to the point. They're like 4 or 5 minutes at most. Guys, it's been the best decision I've ever made. I went to college. I got a bachelor's degree, a sports degree at that, and it's never ever paid me $30,000 a year, and I paid more than that for my degree. Yes, I still coach ice skating part-time. I'm still in my real estate career building that business as well. But just think, if you start with me right now, where your financial situation could be a year from now, if you could make $50, $150, $300, or even $600 a day, a week maybe starting out. Imagine when you hit your first $1,000 day or your first $7,000 week. Guys, it's possible. It can happen. My mentor has only been doing this since September of 2022, and she's already making 6 figures doing this online, just promoting these 4 digital products. That's all that she does. And there's other people that have not been in here very long. They're like under 90 days, and they're already making 5 figures. Guys, we have the best community. So not only are you going to get your website and all that from Infinity Processing System, IPS, but you're also going to get daily pay and all the training that comes with daily pay that my mentors created, which, guys, it's like the ice cream and the cherry on the top and everything. She's currently in the midst of the 90-day business breakthrough, which is so helpful. This is where we're getting that daily video content ideas. Guys, we even have a lady in our community that is really good in the social media and how to put content out. She's even tonight doing a meeting for us to audit our content, to tell us how we can do things better, how we can attract more people to us, how we can get our numbers up. So she knows all about these algorithms, which they're always helping and always teaching us that. Guys, this is the easiest thing. My 80-year-old grandmother has literally been helping me with this business. If she can do it, anybody can do it. So what's going to happen if you decide that you want to purchase, let's say, the 6-figure blueprint? If you purchase it through me, I'm only going to get that fee off you one time. I'm not making money off you. This is not an MLM. It is a one-time fee. You own it. You never pay me again. But I'm not going to wait. I'm still your friend. I'm still going to be your support system, and I'm going to help you out. So you have me, my mentor, and the community that's always here to help you. So you're never going to be alone. But once you buy your product, you're going to get an email from me with a link in it. You're going to click that link. You're going to log into your IPS account. You're going to go in there and you're going to pay that one-time fee for your website. And they're going to have your website to you back in less than 3 days. So within 3 days, guys, you can have your business up and running and literally be earning while you're learning doing this. That's another reason it's such a big perk. Earn and learn with this. It is possible. Okay, guys. It's such a great system. I hope I've answered all your questions. If you decide you want more info, I want you to go to dailypaywithariel.com. I'm going to put that in the description. I know that's a lot. Submit your email. Get the information. The information is free. And once you submit your email with me, you're going to get a video from my mentor, Michelle, and that she's just going to kind of wrap all this in a nice bow, explaining everything that I just said, again, just so you don't forget anything. And she's great. She's been doing this longer than me, but I'm here to help you guys. I'm learning and earning, and I want to help you learn and earn, and us all get to that daily pay together, because it is possible. Guys, also, I'm going to put my social media links down below too, so if you want to follow me, kind of get an idea what kind of videos we do, but also to the people I feel led to help, which are moms and wives. Those are my two target audience, but I'll help anybody, but those are my two target audiences that I really kind of push my content out to. So guys, like I said, you're not alone. We are here. Feel free to email me too. I'll put my email in the box if you have any more questions about anything. But guys, this is the easiest, beginner friendly. You don't have to be tech savvy. 100% profit, 2-hour workday, make daily pay online. Be your own boss. Guys, you can do this too. I'm here to help you too.